Now let's consider further problems on logarithms. Now we've done some of this question. I want to see how far we can establish some rules or principles in solving logarithm. We have to evaluate log 125 times 25. It's to the base 5. Remember the first rule, the log of products? So what do? This will be log. I'm going to separate them. 125 plus log 25. They are all in base 5. This is log 125 can be expressed as 5 raised to the power 3. 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125. Plus log 5 can be 25 can be expressed as 5 raised to the power 2. This is 3 log 5 to base 5 plus 2 log 5 to base 5. And so this is 3 plus 2. Remember, log 5 to base 5 is 1. 3 plus 2, and that gives us 5. Very easy. Let's try at number 2. I'm evaluating log 7 plus 2 log 2 minus log 280. Whoa, when you see a work like this, does it frighten you? Don't be. It's still the same procedure. Log 7 plus log 2. This 2 comes to here to become the power minus log 180. 280 rather. Now don't forget, there is nothing written at the base. If there's nothing written at the base, it simply means it is in log 10. That's the meaning. So this is log. Now I'm using one log to express all of them. Open the bracket, 7. Addition is multiplication. 2 raised to the power 2. Subtraction is division. Divide 280. Now if you do that, you can now simplify. 7 here is 40, which is log 2 raised to the power 2, 4 divide 40. 4 here, 1, 4 here is 10, and this is log 1 over 10, which is the same thing as log 10 raised to the power minus 1, inverse. And this is minus log 10. Remember I said the base is in base 10, though it is not written, and which is the same thing as log 10 to base 10 equal to 1. So therefore, my answer is minus 1 as the answer to the question. Now let's assume I have this question number 3. This is very technical because there's a square root symbol on top of the numbers. The logarithm are all in base 10, and then they also have the square root symbol. Again, this work is not difficult, it's also easy. We've done this before now. And then this is right. This is 35 raised to power 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is the same thing as the square root. So that's what you do to all of them. You express this way. And then once you do this, you see, getting solution to your question becomes easy. Next step is to take the raised to power 1 over 2 to the side. So it becomes half log 35 plus half log 2 minus half log 7. So at this point, you know what to do now, right? So you pick one of the logarithm, half, since they all have the half, then 35 plus its multiplication times 2 minus its division, divide 7. So 7 here 1, 7 here 5. So this is 1 over 2 log 10, you left 5 times 2, which is 1 over 2 log 10 to base 10. And your final answer is 1 over 2. because log 10 to base 10, it's 1. So solving question like this is pretty easy. It's not difficult. Please remember this because especially this number 3 question we've just solved, we're going to apply the knowledge in the next topic. And the next topic will be logarithmic equations. Now, if you understand the concept we've just done here, then logarithmic equations will not be difficult. So watch out for the next video for this topic. See you then.